party till the morning and we'll do it all again.
Welcome back everyone, and this is us just about to head on to Beach Road in Pattaya for Songkran. As you can see, it's absolutely mental. We're going to take a trip down this road. We're going to check out the music and the DJs. We're going to get some street food. We're going to go into Pattaya Beach Garden. Sorry, Pattaya Beer Garden. And have some drinks. And then get down to Walking Street. Check out that mayhem. It gets even crazier when we get down there. And yeah, hope you enjoy. So here we found some fried squid on one of the street food stalls. There's loads of street food all the way up Beach Road today. So 60 baht. They've got a bit of water on the lens there, as you can imagine, so we can't quite see it. But it had this awesome, like, spicy green chili sauce on it, and then it was like on a bed of like cabbage. Super tasty, like 60 baht, which I think is about £1.50. And then this is the actual sort of DJ disco type stand or stage that they had on the beach there. Everyone going wild. They had like foam spraying everywhere. Super busy. Good fun. We then managed to find a fruit smoothie stand because it was starting to get a bit hot at this point. Ended up with an orange fruit smoothie, which is again just really refreshing. If you come to Thailand, highly recommend you get yourself one of these smoothies. They're everywhere and they're really, really good. Again, that was less than £1. I think that was 40 baht for that. And we got some chicken, a bit of walking meat, a bit of fried chicken, 10 baht each. So 50p for two. Again, you know, great value, super tasty, and just what you want when you're walking around. And then we're just going to carry on making our way up to Pattaya Beer Garden, and we'll check that out. Awesome little place, right sort of on top of the, overlooking the sea basically. It's got a massive seating area outside, and some like fans and stuff inside, so it's really worth checking out. So here we have the Pattaya Beer Garden. It's just before you get into the main bit of walking street on your right hand side. It's like a little door, like a little archway. You can kind of miss it if you don't look out for it, but once you get in there, it's really good. We stopped there and had a nice refreshing drink, and then moved on to the absolute chaos that was Walking Street. And this is just the beginning of it. It was hectic all the way up through, so expect more. when we got to the end of Walking Street, we stumbled on this little gem. It's sort of like still a little bit under construction, but it looks like one of these sort of pool party bars where you can, you know, buy a drink and then use the swimming pool and the lounges and stuff for free. We didn't see anything about minimum spend or anything like that. I think you see the bar on the right hand side there. I think you can just go in and use it, and then you've got the sea right in front of you there with a little bit of the beach.
We could party till the morning and we'll do it all again.